last thing you need to know about setting up your saw is if you're not making a straight cut and you need to make an angled cut, again, every saw is different. You can see your guide, you sit flat. This allows me to now twist. Now if I can get it, this is a big saw. So as you'll see, the angle of the blade adjusts. So let's just say I need to make a 45-degree cut. You'll see my guide sits flat, but my blade is angled. So when I make that cut, it's going to be a diagonal cut. On the DEWALT, same thing. Right here, allows you to adjust it. And on the guide, it will show you, you may not be able to see it very well, but this is 45 degrees. If I want to put it, say, 22.5 degrees, I line that up. I tighten it. Now that's a 22-degree cut I would make. For most of you, you'll need it to start out with just at 0. Be zeroed out, it'll be nice and flat, and you can make your straight cuts. So hopefully that's enough to get you started on setting up the blade, on setting up the saw. In terms of using it, that's the next video. But the important things to remember: your key to take the blade on and off, check the saw blade itself for the direction that the blade needs to spin. And on the saw, it will show you the direction. So it needs to go this way. Here, it needs to go this way. So I put the two together and it spins. When all else fails, just remember, teeth, sharp edge of the teeth need to move up as you move the blade forward. This is your guide. You'll need to adjust that in order to get the blade on and off. When you want to set the depth, that's how you do it. Again, different on every saw. And when you need to change the angle, if you need to change the angle, you will have a piece on the front that allows you to do that. And lastly, if I'm not repeating myself, this is the blade stop. You need to locate the blade stop. So when you're trying to take the blade on and off, if you can't seem to get it to tighten, you know what you haven't done is press the blade stop. All right, boot campers, hopefully that helped you out. If you look on this channel, you will see other videos about other tools. If you've got any questions, feel free to write. You can also email me. Contact info is below. Give us your comments. Let us know what you thought. And if there's anything else, if there are any other tools you would like to see how to use or how to set up, let me know. Again, this is just one of the basics on how to set the tools up. You can look at our other videos for how you actually use them.